Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Enid and today I'm back with a new recipe. That is, I'm going to show you how to prepare the very well known Methiachi peas. That is the fenugreek porridge, which is very beneficial for day-to-day life. That is, it helps in weight loss, skin health, hair health, digestion. In women's health, it is specially given to women soon after they deliver a baby. That is, fenugreek is a type of seed that can help in increasing your breast milk supply. That is, when a woman is breastfeeding and her milk supply sometimes might decrease due to stress, fatigue, a variety of other factors. It is also beneficial for high cholesterol and heart disease, and it is also a treatment for prevention of cancer. So without wasting much time any further, let's get started. So to start with, I have taken here 3/4 cup of brown rice. So we are going to add this in a bowl. And I have also taken a 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds. It is not even quarter, actually it is slightly less than a quarter. Fenugreek seeds be a lot of bitter, so we are not going to take much of its quantity. We are also going to add this into the bowl. Now we are going to wash both of them thoroughly. So you can see I have already washed them well. We are going to transfer this in a cooker. Add sufficient water into it so that our rice and the fenugreek seeds are well dipped in the water. So you can see I am adding here 3 bowls of water. So now, as you can see, the water is more than sufficient for the quantity that I have added. Now we are going to cover the cooker and keep it on the gas stove on medium flame and allow at least 5 whistles to be done so that our rice and the fenugreek seeds to be well cooked. My whistles are done. So once the steam is out, I have opened it and let's check. So you all can see the rice and the seeds have been well cooked. So for the next step, next I am using 1 block of plum jaggery over here. So I'm going to use half of it. So let's slice it fine so that it is easier to melt when we add it into our porridge. I'm also going to take approx 1 tablespoon of sugarcane jaggery. I'm going to also cut it fine. We will now keep the cooker back on the gas stove so that you keep it on a low flame. Keep stirring it. Next, I have taken here half cup of coconut milk. If you want, you can add more. So we are going to keep stirring our porridge one side and we are going to add the coconut milk into it. This is to thicken up and to sweeten our porridge. So you all can see it has got well mixed. If you want, you can also add more. It all depends on your consistency. And now little by little we are going to add the jaggery also into it. See that you mix it well so that the jaggery is well dissolved into our porridge. Now remember, over here I'm not going to add any sugar, as if you're giving this porridge to a woman who has recently delivered a baby, then they say that too much intake of sugar is not so good. But if you are making it for your family and for your good health, then yes, of course, you can add a tablespoon of sugar into it. As you know, the fenugreek seeds, that the methi seeds always be a little bitter in taste. So for the bitterness to go, if you require, you can add a tablespoon of sugar, or it is better to skip the sugar, as the jaggery itself, as it cools down, it removes the bitter taste. And as your porridge cools down, the bitterness also will go, and your porridge also will get a little nice and thick and nice brown in color. So if you want, later on you can add more water while you're having it. So I'm adding the remaining jaggery. So you can see it has well boiled. Into this we are going to add little salt now for taste. And at last, Methianchi pears or the fenugreek and the brown rice porridge is all ready to be served hot. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you did like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also to try the recipe and let me know in the comment section how well you liked it. Till then, I'll catch you next Sunday with yet another recipe of mine. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.